Hey, good evening, guys. It's Karan this side, and you're watching the Coffee Addict Trader. In this video, we're going to cover AUDUSD, Aussie dollar, US dollar. We're going to do a top-down multi-time frame analysis to see where the next possible high probability tradable opportunities are. So let's start from the monthly time frame. In monthly time frame, I can spot this range, the last bullish range from this low to this high. We're currently at the recent structural high of this move. At the same time, I can also notice that in the middle price actually corrected back lower a little. So and it is actually rejecting from this flip area. If I just extend this flip area, then I can see price after impulsing towards upside, price corrected back lower to this flip level, and right now we are bouncing from it. If I drop my Fibonacci on this impulsive move from this low to the high of this red candle, in that case, I can spot that after this impulsive move, price corrected back all the way lower to 38.2, which was lining up with this flip area. And then we are strongly rejecting towards upside from this level. So it's possible that we're going to keep moving towards upside until price reach the negative 27.2 and a little higher maybe. So I'm bullish till price reach negative 27.2. So we can look for longs in lower time frames. Let's see what's going on in weekly perspective. In weekly perspective, I can spot this last impulsive move towards upside. I can spot a closing break of structure at around this level. Price also managed to break above this high, but this is not a strong one because we are not closing above it. If I just consider the last, if I just spot the last weekly candle, the last weekly candle was decently bullish, and it's giving me a bullish bias for the next week because price is clearly closing above the previous this weekly high, and it's just telling me that it's possible that the next weekly candle will open, correct back a little lower, and then start moving towards the upside to clear the previous weekly high. So overall, it's giving me a bullish vibe. I can also spot a fair value gap at around this level, which is telling me two stories that this move was decently impulsive and a continuation is definitely possible. And at the same time, it's also telling me that it's also possible that price will give us a deeper correction towards this fair value gap and then some good rejection. But for now, I'm just looking for longs. Let's see what's going on in daily perspective. This move was pretty choppy. Price was stuck inside this tight range for days. So, what I can spot, where's the multi rejection level? How I actually find it? I just take the last flip area, whichever is looking promising, and I just extended that this side. And it looks like we are getting some good rejection from this level, so I can consider this one. I can also spot this level from where price rejected multiple times in the past. We managed to close above it, but on the next candle, we strongly rejected downside. And right now, we are trading above this level. So it's there are two possible scenarios. Price can bounce from this level and this level too, as we are looking for continuation upside. So these are the two levels that I can spot right now. And if I drop my Fibonacci on this impulsive move, then this area is perfectly lining up with 38.2. So definitely a good level. So let's see what's going on in 4 hour perspective. Okay. Uh, this level is also interesting. Do you know why? Because if I just plot my Fibonacci on this impulsive move, then this area is perfectly lining up with 38.2. So both are both levels are valid, and so I'm gonna wait for, I'm gonna wait for price to give me some good rejections in 4 hour from this level or this level. And if I find any good rejection from this kind of levels, in that case I will start planning for longs here. And if price managed to make a new higher high with the opening of the week in Monday or Tuesday, then in that case I will revisit this and I need to refine my plan. For now, I'm just waiting for a deeper correction from at around this levels, and if I find any good rejection from this kind of levels, in that case I will start building long positions. This area is perfectly lining up with 50 EMA in 4 hour time frame. which is making it a little more valid. But yeah, that's all from my side in AUD USD. I'm gonna monitor this two levels and let's see how they react. So see you soon on the next session, guys. Have a great day.